Once you get the top plate off, and this was a bugger to get off, you want to take a picture of the all the gears in place. That way you know where they go to go back, especially these two levers right here. You want to make sure you know where they go back, or you might have trouble putting this thing back together. Here's the bottom plate. It's extremely thick, nice and heavy. I got the pen out of this. It didn't want to come out. Maybe it'll come out now. Still doesn't want to come out for some reason. There might be a portion of the pen still stuck in there.